Hey, it's Patrick from JMP Cycles, and today we'll be changing out the stock windshield on our Milwaukee 8 Road Glide here to a hot rod Klockwerks flare unit. All you're gonna need is one tool, a screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver. Go ahead and get these screws loosened up, swap out our windshield. You don't even have to take them all the way out. We're just gonna back them off a little bit so the windshield will slide out and slide the new one in. We got her loosened up. It should slide straight up in the air. You may have to flex it just a little bit, but it'll come right off. We have our new one. It'll go on the same way the other one came off. I'll get my front two screws started here. Make sure those little plastic washers are in front of the windshield, and we'll tighten it up. Now, you're screwing into well nuts, which are basically a rubber sleeve with a brass insert inside the fairing, and it swells up to hold everything in place. So once these get snug, go ahead and back off. No need to really gorilla arm it down because you'll do damage. Just get it snug and you're good. All right, simple as that. Brand new windshield on our brand new M8 Road Glide. As always, if you like what you see here, please subscribe to us. If you have any questions, comment in the comment section below. You can always talk to us on our 800 number or simply chat with us online. Now, go work on those motorcycles.